Good morning, everyone. To those who don't know me, I am Gabriel Abram C. Jopia. As the CEO of the group, we name our team as a developer Infinity, which developed the mobile application of StreetMart application. But before I proceed, let me present to you the members of our team. Miss Jamina as the COO, Miss Rosemary as a CMO, Miss Julianne as a CFO, Mr. Gianmarco as a CPO, and me as a CEO of the group. To begin with, StreetMart application was developed to address the problem of the public with regards to minimizing or eliminating the use of street roads as parking lots of car owners who do not have enough space for their vehicles. We gathered information to know the thoughts and feelings of our end users through the use of online survey forms. The survey will be shown in the succeeding slides. Present to you the analysis of the data we have gathered.
Customers. The mobile application we develop aid the speedy operation of an organization. In this case, we make customer happy because their problems will be solved. They create saving and make their life easier, produce outcome beyond their expectations, and these gains pains and relief, thus customer rated application as a reliable.
As a solution to the problem of the customers, mobile application was supposed to MMDA to be used by the public to immediately inform them of their concerns about obstructions in the street roads. In this case, quick response will be performed, automated processes developed, will help companies improve efficiency and decrease human errors on the paperwork. Provide reliable storage of important documents, aside from quick and effective communication to the management and clients.
In our business model, it shows that our unique value proposition is installed mobile application. User gives the freedom to multitask, convey, or collect information at fingertips from anywhere and reduce time consuming for manual operations. We divide our customers as follows as shown in the customer segment. First is the government agencies, second, private companies, and lastly, the concerned citizens or the public as users of the application. In competition analysis, the application developed by the developer Infinity is economical or inexpensive than other towing services. Despite of being new in the industry, our application ranked high.
For the prototype or products, as a consequence of the online survey we conducted, this is our sample of our survey form. The next slide presents to you the mobile application we developed to address the needs of our customers. Before using the app, users will sign up first. They have to encode their name. With regards to our finances, startup cost is 343,000, variable cost is 22,000, fixed cost is 28,000. Sales for the month is 185,000, profit is 135,000. To get the break-even sales, compute first the contribution margin. The formula is sales, which is 185,000 minus variable cost, which is 22,000. The total is 0.88, which is the contribution margin. Second, divide the fixed cost, which is 28,000, by the contribution margin, which is 0.88, to get the break-even sales, which is 31,818.380.
Marketing and sales. With the application that we developed, it helped out the users to work easier, immediately communicate their concerns, and receive quick response. The platform we used in promoting our product are as follows: social media, through family and friends, billboards, flyers, and brochures.
In conclusion, with the effort exhausted by our team developer Infinity, in developing the application. The problem in our community with regards to illegal parking, which affect the day-to-day activities of the public. We hope that this application will have a significant impact in their lives and in their work. Thank you.